2011 Chevrolet Equinox rear door panel removal, and then we're going to do the front door as well. For the rear door, you're going to need a 7mm. There's one back here, and then you're going to need 10mm. There's two behind this control panel. To pop off this cover right here, you want to get a tool in the bottom corner and pry out. And then you're just going to get your 7mm. And remove that real quick. Change this to the 10mm. Alright. This is a little tricky on the back one. What I found was to put a tool back here and then pry it right here as well. There is a metal clip back here. It may or may not fall out, but if it does, no big deal. You can pop it back in real easily. And then once you get that part loose, you just slide it backwards and then press this tab in. And you can remove your window switch controls. And there's your 10mm. And then get you a panel popper. And I start right about here in the middle, so I can shove my panel back there. And then pop, and then lift up. And then back here is your door latch mechanism cable. Just lift up and pull back, and then lift that out. And that is the rear door panel. Let's carry on to the front door panel real quick. You're gonna need 7mm and 8mm as well. So same situation here, except you're not gonna take this panel out. You're just gonna take this cover out. So again, starting very bottom corner in the top, bottom corner of this cover, it's right out. And I'm gonna use two tools for this one as well. There's a little notch down here. This one's already dinged up. Somebody already took it off. And then once I get leverage on it, I'm gonna get the bigger one and pry it right out. So up here is a 7 again. Take that out. And then down here is actually 8mm. So 8mm. 1, 2. Panel tool again. Start off right about there so I can get it behind there. Pop that off. And then lift up. Quick tip. This part right here, if you push up on it, it will come out, and it makes it a whole lot easier to put it on the door lock when you reassemble your doors. So this one, you gotta actually squeeze these tabs and then pull that up, and then you can release that. And then same thing with your door cable, and that's your door panel removal on the front. Same thing applies to the driver's side.